Hello everyone, I'm showing my newest Daisy Rose purchase. I finally got my brown tote bag. I had first ordered it with Walmart. They said they had 5 left. I placed the order. And then I got a notification from Walmart that they canceled the order because it wasn't going to be able to ship. I kept looking for a couple days. They had another few come in, so I placed an order again. It said it would probably ship between May 21st through May 28th, but I got it 3 days after I ordered. I also ordered the little passport holder because I saw on Purses and More that you can use these as a little notepad, which is what I did. Just put a little pad in here, so if I ever have to jot something down real quick, I can use it as a pad, and it matches really good with the purse. I noticed on these brown purses, they seem thicker and a little bit better made than the cream, even though the cream is excellently made. Like I said, I had no issues with the brown. Everything came good. This is the first day I've used it, so I still do have the back crease in it, but like my other one, that crease should be working its way out. Right now I have a cream color organizer in it, but I have ordered a red one from Walmart to go with the inside of this bag. And here's a little accessory pouch with it that comes with it. You can see it has the inside is red, and right now that does fit really good into my organizer. And on here you can see the Daisy Rose. Like my other prior Daisy Rose purchase, all the zippers, everything works really good. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to get the little coin pouch, but that's on my possibilities to get.